Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a box opening on a Seesii 24-foot extension for my pressure washer. Now the reason I got this was to pressure wash the top of my house where the north side of the house on the peaks, they grow like some mildew or moss, whatever you want to call it. And I need something to reach up there without having to get on the roof. So I got this, we're going to open it up and let's try to put it together and see how it works. Alright, so it looks like it's 3 sections, and it looks like it telescopes right here to make it even longer, which this is gonna be huge. So let's put it together. So it has 2 nozzles, and one nozzle looks like it's just a regular nozzle end, and the other one is looking like it's for your gutters. So you put it in here, it's just going to spray out your gutters, so you can kind of like run along your gutters. So it has a washer in here, so you're not going to need any Teflon tape. Just kind of put it on here and tighten it up. And then it telescopes out right here. So you can see how it does that. So it comes with a bag of nozzles, and they're all different. You know, you're going to have like different spray patterns. Like this one's 25%. The red one's usually a lower, so it's going to be 0%, so it's just like a straight bead. The white one is 40%. Black one is a huge one, so it's probably just a side sprayer, like maybe 50%. And the yellow one's 15. So we're probably going to just use the 15 to start off with. We want a pretty strong spray pattern here. And these look pretty universal. Like, I wonder, like, we'll check it on my actual pressure washer and see if it's the same, if it pops on enough. Here's my old one. Yeah, so they're universal, which is nice. So if you ever lose one of these, you can get them off one of your old pressure washers or something like that. Now, here's my pressure washers. I got a gas pressure washer, and I have an electric pressure washer. We're gonna try it out on the electric first, just to see how it goes, and we'll go from there. All right, let's figure out how to get this thing on. Looks pretty simple. Hope. So we got a clip right here. It's going to clip into the gun, so you can hold the gun up without having to put too much pressure on your arms and back. All right, so let's clip this in and see how it goes. Let's try it out. overall it's great. I really like this thing. It's a 24-foot reach really helps out me getting up on top of those windows without having to get on top of the roof. You know, usually I got to get on there and it's a pain. And I got to do it every year because this stuff just grows every year. What I like about this thing too is it also telescopes down all the way to basically just like 6 foot plus this. And you can take this off. You can take this off for easy storage. Okay, so I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can get one if you want. This thing is definitely great for those hard to reach places. Now, it does say that you need to have at least 3,000 PSI on your pressure washer, and my pressure washer is exactly 3,000 PSI and it worked out pretty well. Well, if you learned something, hit that like button and leave a comment if you end up buying one of these things. I'd really like to hear about it. Thanks for watching.